His name is Bacon.
Bacon! You're so sweet. You know how to welcome guests. Finally, we are here.
Yes.
I feel so happy. They have so many activities in here. I want to check this. They have island beach and they have horses upstairs.
Oh, really? They have horse?
This is 7 hectares.
Wow.
So big. Our tent, we are located here, so they will take us to our tent.
Oh, nice.
I'm excited. Okay.
Bacon so cute.
Yeah. Bacon, good job.
Bacon, good job. Let's go.
Let's go. NamKhan Ecolodge is a green sanctuary along the NamKhan River. We will stay in their Explorer tent that has a private bathroom. Explorer tent costs $38 per night, breakfast included. It's so cute.
Yeah.
It was like hidden from downstairs.
Oh, amazing. Is this restaurant?
Yeah. I like to try this later. Let's go.
I will be there in the morning.
I ordered, this one is papaya salad. This one is lap.
Wow.
Mu. You know mu?
Yes.
Pork. This is my favorite local food. It smells so good and looks so delicious. Spicy papaya salad and pork lap are my favorite Laos traditional food.
Good.
So delicious.
Oh, really?
Ground meat with lime and lemongrass. It's so perfect.
Oh.
Let's try papaya salad. So good. You can try it.
Okay. This is good, but I feel a bit spicy. This is
Your face.
spicy.
Your face is getting spicy.
So, where will we go?
I'm so full. Are you?
Yeah, me too. Really
Okay,
full.
since this is 7 hectares,
Yes.
let's try to go there first.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. This is the shared bathroom.
Uy. Uy.
I will do this to your face if you get angry with me.
Oh my god.
NamKhan Ecolodge is a 7 hectares property that has lots of activities and best photo spots. Of course, I will take my photo too.
Wow.
Look at this!
This is maybe yoga space.
Yeah, but in the afternoon, we can lie down here.
Wow. So nice.
Look at the river.
Oh.
The river is moving so fast.
We can do tubing and
Oh, yeah.
kayaking.
But I don't want to try it because it's too cold. Maybe I'll get freeze. Let's go. Let's go.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
I'm from Japan.
Yeah, Japan.
Yes.
Nippon.
Nippon.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, hello, sabadi.
I'm scared. Ready? Oh, my first time to touch a horse! Oh, my first time! Ay, sabay ni! This is my first time.
Not long ago.
Oh.
And he's a fighter because the 2 times he had fight and now he's still alive. Even though the vet told me that you have to put him down. And now he's alive, he's okay.
Oh. Wow. Can I touch?
Yeah, for sure. He's very,
Somebody.
very, very friendly horse.
My first time to touch. They have a horse riding activity. These are Hmong horses. They are smaller than the normal horse's size. They can only carry light weight. This is the best activity for children and teens. Okay, take your time, baby.
Yes, yes. You have to grow up a bit more. Huh?
Oh, look at this guy. We're playing too. Hi. Hi. Scary. Wow, the horses, the goats, and the cats, they're all in perfect condition.
Yeah, they're good. Take care of them.
I'm impressed. Are you?
Yes, I'm impressed.
Yes, because I thought NamKhan Ecolodge is like just for tent, glamping, camping.
Yeah, first imagine.
Yes, and then so many things you can do.
Yeah.
This is like a surprise for us.
Look at that.
Oh, they're starting to. Oh, they're starting to ride.
Yeah.
They're around with the horses. I want to see it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, horse racing. Very strong. Very good.
Oh, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel amazing, but a little bit scary.
You want to ride?
Yeah, I want. Next time, let's find that can carry my weight. Okay.
Okay.
I want.
Oh,
I'm surprised. There's so many people.
yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, this is so romantic.
Sabadi.
Welcome. So sorry, a little bit noisy.
It's
Because they
okay.
came to-
I love it. They're having fun. Oh, wow. It's like a 5-star style in an island.
Yes. And then, did you see moon?
Yes. It's so perfect.
Oh, so beautiful.
It looks like you've rented the moon because it's facing us.
Yeah.
So good.
I know.
So delicious.
How's your sauce?
It's so perfect. They go well together. Look at this. Oh.
Go, go, go.
Ooh,
Wow.
I'm shocked. Oh, that sauce is really good. It's so fresh.
Yes.
Because you know they have their farm in here.
Mm-hmm.
From the farm straight to the table.
Ah, yeah.
That's their secret. So fresh. So good.
I think organic.
Yes.
Are you happy?
Very much. Thank you. This is homemade.
Wow.
Let's try. Wow, I enjoy this.
Okay. What score? Today dinner?
Perfect 100. Not 10.
Ah.
Perfect 100. Because delicious food, diba? Perfect view, perfect
Yeah.
experience.
Mm.
And then the customer service, the people who assist us, top of the notch. Really 100%.
I
Let's
think so
finish.
too.
Yeah. Let's finish the ice cream. Because I think we're the only one who left. No more people.
Yeah.
We ate a lot. good.
Really?
Very nice breakfast.
Yeah.
I have decided.
What?
If my friend will come here in Luang Prabang, I will take them here in NamKhan Ecolodge.
Oh, that's good.
If, for example, they will stay 2 nights, first just around in here, kayaking, tubing, yoga.
Yeah.
And second day, because they have tuk-tuk, right? We'll go to the city and around the city and then come back here, eat dinner. So perfect. Are you going to do that the same?
Me too.
Right? I cannot leave this place. This is like a sanctuary for all of us. So relaxing.
Yeah.